Are you searching for the easiest way to make millions of naira from real estate investment opportunities? If yes is your answer, please watch this video to the end, as I'm going to be sharing with you a detailed information on how to make millions of naira investing in pre-launch estate here in Nigeria. Okay, watch this video to the end, as I'm going to share this with you. I'm also going to be exposing you to the pre-launch offers or pre-launch estate offers we have on ground and ones on pipeline. Watch to the end and you'll be glad you do. And if this is the first time you're watching my video, my name is Peter Twinnet from LekkiProperty.com. My job is to assist you with the right real estate investment information, so that when you're making real estate investment decisions, you're able to make the right decisions. And if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please use this opportunity. Click on the subscribe button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that when I post subsequent videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. Also, remember to put comment below, so that I'll be able to know the next video I'll be making for you. Please watch to the end and you'll be glad you do. To begin this video, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much to all my clients, both home and abroad, most especially those in diaspora, for patronizing me, buying properties through me, even when they've not seen me. 70% of my clients have not seen me, and yet they buy properties through me. All right, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I will not take this for granted. I will always get you the right information you need and the best real estate investment opportunity you need to put in money into your pocket. All right. With that said, let's go into the main information or main details of the video. All right, so like I mentioned, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a personal information, personal experience regarding pre-launch offers, pre-launch estate. First, we're going to talk about what are pre-launch estate, how can you benefit from it. All right, okay, what to look after when you are buying into a pre-launch property. So these are things I'm going to cover in this video. All right, and also how I personally have benefited from it. Watch to the end. Keep on watching and don't skip any, and also like and share, just like I mentioned from the outset of the video, so that others too can also benefit from it. Please watch to the end, as we will be diving into this in a jiffy. Launch estate offers are estate offers or sales that are still on pipeline. The estate company have not actually brought it out to the public to sell. All right, so sometimes they do it in the way that they are working on the estate. Either they are working on the estate, because of that they don't want to bring it out yet. It is under the pre-launch offer, and sometimes some of these companies try to sell these pre-launch offers to people. Now, what are the reasons why you should key into pre-launch offer? Pre-launch offers are more cheaper. They are best way to invest into real estate offers when they are new, brand new, still on pipeline. All right, so pre-launch offers have put in millions of naira into the pocket of a lot of our smart investors, including I here sitting here. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how I have benefited from pre-launch offers, and also how some other of our real investors have also benefited too, and how you watching this video can also benefit. In this video, like I mentioned too, I'm also going to be stating to you some of the few properties we have that are under the pre-launch sale now or offer that will soon be launched there, and how you can key into this offer. Please keep on watching as I will give you information, but have it in mind that pre-launch sales are property sales or offers that are still on the pipeline, that are yet to be fully launched. All right, okay, so this is the first stage of real estate investment opportunity. First, it goes through the pre-launch. Secondly, it goes through launching, and then thirdly, it goes through post-launching. Post-launching is when, after some weeks or months, the property development have commenced. The company will now say, okay, we've been able to establish this estate development have commenced. Now we're going to increase the price of this property. That is called post-launch estate. So let's keep on following on this video, as I'm going to share a lot of information in this video that will benefit you that's watching this video. All right, so let's go on. We'll be talking about what to look after, okay, when investing into pre-launch estate. Pre-launch estate or pre-launch offers are one of the best and easiest way to invest into real estate, like I mentioned. All right, a lot of us have benefited from it. But what are the things you are to look after before investing into this pre-launch estate? One, if you are to get into pre-launch estate, remember this estate has not been fully established. All right, it might come as a result, it might come like for instance, some companies will do fencing, put a gatehouse before they put it out for launching. All right, while some estate companies will begin with just a signpost, they will just point to you, this is a land, this is our estate, it will launch the estate. So in any way you want to, pre-launch estate is one of the easiest way. But now, what are you to look after before buying into any pre-launch estate? One, the project this company, the owners of this pre-launch estate, has done in the past. Are there projects they have done in the past? How is their development like? I've never been able to conclude a project and people have benefited by allocation. If yes is the answer, this is the best pre-launch property you should think of investing. And among the pre-launch properties I'm going to be discussing with you this afternoon, or this video, I will be discussing with you. I will show you, I will let you know these pre-launch properties and the companies that owns them and what they have been able to do and how you can benefit from it. Keep on watching as I will bring you further information. Another thing to look after when buying into a pre-launch property is the location. Where is the location of this property? Can this property guarantee real return on investment in next 6 months, in next 1 year, and the rest? If yes is the answer, that is the best pre-launch property to get involved with. Another thing to look after when buying into pre-launch properties is what are the land titles do they have? Is it a governor's consent? Is it a CFO? Is it a gazette? Is it a session? These are the things you look after. Which title does this property have? Okay, all right, so these are the things you look after. What about the price? Introductory price. What are the introductory price? Can I afford it? Do they have payment plan? Most especially a lot of our clients abroad, they prefer payment plan, and that's what I always encourage them to do, because making money and sending here in Nigeria is not easy, and so it is always the best way for them to start investing into real estate. Buy into properties with payment plan if you don't have the cash to start, because I know a lot of them over there and abroad, they work hard, they earn money at the end of every month. So if they can be able to key into payment plan, it's helpful to them. So what are the type of payment plans that can get into? A payment plan of about 0 to 3 months, a payment plan of 3 months to 6 months, 6 months to 12 months, as much as even to 24 months. So we have a lot of companies that can give you opportunity for this under the pre-launch properties. So that's one of the advantage of key into pre-launch properties. All right, let me go on and share more of other information with you. And remember, like I mentioned before the end of this video, I'm going to mention to you the properties we have under the pre-launch offers and the ones that are still on the pipeline. So keep on watching. The next question you ask is, are there people who have benefited from pre-launch offers? Yes, I am number one, Peter Twinnet. I've benefited from pre-launch offers. That is why I'm the most qualified realtor to talk about how to make millions of naira from pre-launch properties. Yes, I've benefited. Now, I don't want to go into full details as to many properties I've invested on pre-launch that have made profit. I just want to mention just one property that quite a lot of our realtors have spoken much about or marketed too much, and a lot of our clients, most people, those in diaspora, have bought into, which is the Lagoon front. Yes, I'm a beneficiary of the Lagoon front from the pre-launch property. Right, by this time last year, which is August 2021, I keyed into the Lagoon front estate. I've done a video how I made 200% return on investment for Lagoon front estate. I bought into the pre-launch offer in August last year at the rate of 10 million naira for 1,000 square meter. All right, today, as I speak with you in the month of July 2022, this property is now valued at a rate of 30 million naira. So you can see that is a good offer. And also, now pre-launch property is the best way to invest, to make good return on investment, because as time goes on, as the estate is being developed, you're getting return on your investment. As the estate is being developed, the property price is increasing, your return on investment is also increasing. So I benefited from the Lagoon front estate. Are there some other clients who have also benefited? Yes, there's one of our clients that bought 10 plots of land when Lagoon front was selling for 5 million for 500 square meter. He bought 10 plots. So guess how much he would have made by now. You understand? So this is the best way to invest. So if you have money out there and you're looking for a way to invest, please keep it, as I'm going to be exposing you to some pre-launch offers that are on pipeline that will soon be launched, so you can key into it and make the best profit from the real estate investment opportunity. All right, so I'm going to be sharing out this information with you in a jiffy. Keep on watching, and if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please use this opportunity, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post subsequent videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. Also share, like, and also comment below this video so I can be able to be motivated, so that next I will know the next video I'll be making for you. All right, I'm right here for you. Keep on watching as I'm going to reveal to you some of the pre-launch estates that are on ground or on the pipeline, so that you can start preparing yourself to get involved with this estate. So to begin, like you know me, I don't just market for every company. All right, I have specific companies I target. I focus on promoting their properties. The reason is this. All right. The reason is because I want to be able to monitor the progress of these developers and make sure my clients get value for their investment. And so I'm going to be talking about just two companies that have pre-launch properties and the one that is still on the pipeline in this video. So we'll keep on watching. All right. So the first company I'm going to be talking about is Veritasi Homes and Properties. Now they are the owners of Ìtùnú Residential Estate. As we know, Ìtùnú Residential Estate was launched February this year, which was like 4 or 5 months ago. But as I speak with you now, Ìtùnú Residential Estate have put in good return on investment into the pocket of investors that invested when it was on pre-launch price. All right. If you could remember, Ìtùnú Residential Estate was sold at a rate of 16 million naira for 500 square meter. Okay, and in the month of April, the price increased to 26 million naira, which is 10 million naira profit. And from the estimation and the calculation way the company has given to us, all right, they are looking at in 2 years, the Ìtùnú Residential Estate that was sold for 16 million naira per launch price will go for 60 million naira. It is doable, all right. Because if you get to the site now, you will see a lot of fast development that is going on. We've done the first allocation, second allocation, we're preparing for the third allocation within the space of 6 months. All right, so development is also going. You can be watching at it on this video. You can be seeing the video scrolling through. You will see how far we have done Ìtùnú Residential Estate. Like I mentioned too, what to look after when investing into pre-launch estate. What are the estate companies that owns this pre-launch estate? What have they been able to do in the past? Ìtùnú Residential Estate is one of the best estate people have invested into, and I must tell you that they are also the owners of one of the pre-launch properties we are about to launch in this month of August. All right, the name of the estate is Ìtùnú City. Yes, I'm proud to introduce to you Ìtùnú City. Now, in the next video I'm going to be explaining to you the difference between Ìtùnú City and Ìtùnú Residential Estate. Please keep on watching. Watch as I'm going to be introducing you to other information regarding pre-launch estate you should know about. So if you have money, you are looking for where to invest, please keep it. Ìtùnú City is going to be launched. Ìtùnú City is going to be launched not far from Ìtùnú Residential Estate, where a lot of our clients or investors abroad invested their money. Ìtùnú City is going to be launched. I'm going to be giving you information regarding Ìtùnú City, why you should key into Ìtùnú City. I will do that, but maybe in this video I'll briefly highlight some of the difference between Ìtùnú Residential Estate and Ìtùnú City. Keep on watching as I give you details. So Ìtùnú Residential Estate, as we know, is an estate around the Lekki, and so also Ìtùnú City is also coming out within that vicinity. Now the difference is that Ìtùnú Residential Estate is just residential purposes, but whereas Ìtùnú City is coming with both residential and commercial. There are so many activities that are going to happen there. We're going to have a mini lake, we're going to have a mini golf course, we're going to have so many things are coming up there. I'm going to be revealing these things to you before the pre-launch, all right, before the launching date. On the launching date, we're going to hear more information about Ìtùnú City. However, keep your money. Start keeping your money. Start arranging your money as we are going to launch this. I will give you further information, but then let me go ahead and also review to you the next pre-launch property that we have on ground right now and why you should keep in. Keep on watching. Remember, when we talk about pre-launch property, we're not just talking about only land sales only. No. Buildings are also part of pre-launch property. Now we have one of our pre-launch property by name the Avocado Luxury Apartment. Remember, we have the Avocado duplexes and terraces right in Abidjan GRA. This very property, the Avocado Luxury Apartment, is directly on the GRA road. Okay, so it's a very good project. You just see how, check up the 3D video. You're going to see how it will look like. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this offer to you is because the company that owns this project have been able to deliver the first the avocado. Okay, the Avocado Luxury duplexes and terraces have been delivered. As a matter of fact, people are living right there right now as I speak with you. I've also done a video that will also be uploaded within the week. All right, so I'm going to share with you what they have been able to deliver within a space of 1 and 2 years. Now that will help you to know what they will also be able to do in the apartment. So the Avocado Luxury Apartment is one of the best pre-launch offers you should be considering keying into right now. All right, so that also is a property owned by Landmark Corporate Realty Limited. All right, the owners of Lagoon Front. Okay, this is the second pre-launch offer that we have on ground right now that will soon be launched. Now, the reason why you should key into the Avocado Luxury apartment now is that at the moment, if you key in between now and August 15th, 2022, you will be privileged of having 2.5 million naira discount. 2.5 million naira discount awaits you if you key into the Avocado Luxury apartment here in Abidjan, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. All right, so keep on watching as I will be giving information regarding the next pre-launch property that is still on the pipeline. Okay, and why you should also key into that offer shortly. Keep on watching. Like I mentioned to you, we're still talking about pre-launch properties here in Nigeria. How you can make millions of naira investing in pre-launch estate, pre-launch offers, pre-launch sales here in Nigeria. Now, I'm going to mention to you one of the pre-launch offers that is still on the pipeline. Okay, though they've not revealed it out to so many realtors, because I have direct one-on-one personal relationship with the CEOs of these companies. I get first-hand information about these companies or properties before they are launched. Remember a few last month ago, the Lagoon Front estate was closed sales. The sales there was closed. The reason why they closed the sales in the Lagoon Front estate is because the company want to begin development full time. All right, so they don't want people coming to there, I want to buy this, I want to buy. They want to focus on development, and so they have to close the sales of that estate. And now the advantage of closing the estate sales is that by December or before December, when the estate is brought back to the market, the price would have increased from 15 million naira per plot to about 20 million or even more. All right, so that is the advantage of keying into pre-launch offers before the price is increased. All right, now I'm happy to announce to you that the owners of Lagoon Front Estate, after closing the Lagoon Front Estate, are now about to open another estate by name Fairmont Gardens. All right, remember, I'm the first realtor to let you know this. I'm the first realtor to let you know. So you are buying this property through me. All right, okay. That being said, now one of the reasons why this property is going to be a boom is because this property is in a good location. All right, so we have not been given a preview of where this property, the exact location, but we know that it's within Lekki as it's going towards Ekpe, because that's where a lot of developers are going. The reason why a lot of developers are going towards that route leading to Ekpe, around Alaro City and the rest, because that is where government is giving them direct allocation with CFO. So it's a property that a lot of developers are buying directly from government. All right, so thank you so much for watching my video, and I want to give you another assurance. If you buy any property, any of this pre-launch property I've just mentioned through me, I want to assure you that you are going to get your documents directly through me to any part of the world you will be for free. Yes, that's my own giveaway. That's my own gift. All right, I want to give you this as my thank you for buying property through me. If you buy any property through me, all right, I'm going to make sure your documents get to you wherever you may be in any part of the world for free. This is from Peter Twinnet to you. All right, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for always subscribing. Watch out as I will be sharing more other information regarding some other estate that I will be launching shortly. Thank you so much for watching my videos so far. You are the best. You have a wonderful week. Bye bye.